Hi, what an absolute fantastic 70 registered Porsche Cayman 718 we've got just arrived here at Alpha Motors. Lovely low mileage example, just over 16,000 miles, but with some absolute must-have extras, totaling just under £15,000. Now, as you can see, the car's finished in Aventurine Green, which is a lovely, lovely colour. It's more grey than green, yes, from me. But just look at the car. It is sat on the wonderful Carrera S alloys, and they're finished in the gloss black detail. As we look around the car, we've got the 718 Cayman decal on the door, and then the black exterior detailing doesn't stop there. So we've got the black window trims, we've got the black door handles, we've got the colour coding to the air vents in the rear quarter panels. All the wheels are in absolutely wonderful order. Now, as we come around the rear then, we've got the black detailing still on the spoiler. We've got the rear valance in the bumper, which is colour-coded to the vehicle. Now, as you can see in the centre of that rear valance, we've got the sports tailpipes finished in black, and that is then we've got the switchable sports exhaust system. Car has front and rear parking sensors as well. But when we get round to the front here, you can see that we've got the Porsche dynamic lighting system. Very, very nice option. I think just on £1,200 for the dynamic lighting system. 70 plate, so absolutely wonderful car. Now come around, and as I open this driver's door, we're met with factory black leather seats, which have also got the Porsche crest on. So 16,657 miles exactly. This vehicle also has optional power folding door mirrors. And as I jump into the car, this GT leather trim steering wheel, another factory option. Heated seats, factory option. We've got the full satellite navigation system, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control, sports exhaust system. Obviously we've got the adjustable sport mode on the steering wheel as well, with it being a GT, very similar to the GTS in the 911. Cruise control, voice control, and the must-have as well, the sports chrono. So I'm going to start it up now. And you can hear that lovely, lovely sports exhaust system. Switched off. Gives you a nice rumble, but the cabin in here is absolutely gorgeous. This leather trim is as brand new. What a vehicle. Absolutely, simply a must-have. I've put on our advert on our website all the extras. If you want to have a look on Porsche's website, you know, you can build it yourself, but they're very, 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 very nice optional car. I'd have to say, what a vehicle. The colour is absolutely stunning. If you want a Cayman that is unlike any other, unique, blacks, greys, reds, but look at that colour, look at that, it's absolutely stunning. A must-have car, especially with the black detail. Got the headlamp wash as well. Paintwork's in fantastic condition, riding on wonderful tyres, alloys are all in perfect order. You just can see that the last keeper was a fastidious owner of this car, and only done 16,600 miles as well. What more can I say? I do like that black spoiler on the rear. I do like the colour coding. Those little details, when you start to walk around a Porsche, those little details are what just stands out. I know they're only a couple of £100, but when you add one to the other, and then the Carrera S wheels, that is as good as any GT4 on the market. Unique. So if you'd like any more information on the car, got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you in any way. Finance is available. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and look forward to your inquiry.